Today we will be doing session 15 of Word Power Made Easy. The first word is notorious, which is a very common word and I'm sure most of y'all must have heard it. It comes from a Latin root notus, notice, which means well known. Notorious is usually used in a negative way. It means ill fame or someone who has a reputation for an antisocial behavior. Like we say a notorious gambler or a notorious thief. We also say a notorious child, which means a mischievous child. The next root is summus, summus, which means highest. The word coming from this root is summit, which means the top of the mountain or the highest point on the mountain. The next word is consummate. Consummate means reaching the highest point or in a state of being highly skillful. For example, a consummate artist, which means he is at his highest point of perfection. A consummate contract means the contract is just at its final touches and it is going to be completed soon. Usually to make nouns we add the suffix nees in the end, which means for sweet it becomes sweetness. Similarly for consummate it becomes consummateness or consummacy. The next word is incorrigibility. This comes from the root corrigo, corrigo, which means to correct or set straight. But since we use a negative prefix in in the start, it becomes the negative. So you are in a state where you cannot correct or straighten yourself. You are beyond any reform or correction. For example, an incorrigible idealist, he is in a state where he cannot change himself or correct himself. The noun is incorrigibility or alternatively incorrigibleness. The next word or the next root is vetus, vetus, which means old, or it even indicates disapproval. The word coming from it is inveterate, which means in a state of being in a long established habit. For example, inveterate drinkers, he has been drinking since a long time that he is very habituated to drinking. Another example is inveterate lying, means he is in a state of lying since a very long time and therefore he is very habituated to lying. The noun is inveteracy or inveterateness. Another word coming from this is a veteran. A veteran is someone who is very skillful and he has an old hand over it. For example, a veteran at swimming, which means he has been swimming since a very long time and so therefore he has become a specialist in swimming. The next root is genesis, which means birth or origin. The word for it is psychogenic, which we have done in one of the previous sessions, which comes from two roots, psycho, which means mind, plus genesis, which means birth or origin. Psychogenesis is something which has originated in your mind and you have a mental or emotional conflict. For example, if you fear the consequences of being in a meeting, so therefore you may develop a cold or a headache. Sometimes you think that a person is going to betray you, so you have an emotional conflict in your head. So it is a mental origin. The backache in the previous example was not due to body, but it was due to mind. The next word is genetics, which comes from genesis plus ICS. ICS is science. So genetics means science of hereditary. The characteristics that come from parents to offspring. The adjective is genetic. and the particle, the hereditary characteristics or the particles that come from parents to offspring is known as a gene. The next word is genealogy, which comes from Genesis plus logos. Logos means science or study. So genealogy means study of the ancestry or family tree, and a genealogist is someone who studies the family tree. The next word is genital. Genital comes from the roots Genesis plus TAL. TAL means related. So it means organs relating to birth or organs related to the reproductive system. The next word is hereditary. Hereditary are the characteristics that are acquired at the moment of conception. For example, you may have a similar eye color like your parents, or the nose shape or hair texture. All these qualities are known as hereditary. So with this we are done with the words of this session. You can solve this exercise by pausing the video where the prefix is given and the meaning is given. You have to see if you can recollect the English word for it. The pronunciations: notoriety, to consummate, consummacy, consummation, incorrigibility, inveteracy, veteran, genetics, genetist, genetic, gene, genealogy, genealogist, genealogical, genital, genesis, and hereditary. Now is the match the column. You can pause the video and solve and then check the answers. You can try this exercise to know if you have understood the words. And that's the end of session 15. Thank you.